Let's go.
Hi guys, I'm Rainer Bartolome, a grade 11 student from St. Anthony de Carmeli, and I'll be showing you guys on how to make a Minecraft Pocket Edition plugin by using the Notepad++ and by using the PHP programming language. So let's start on like making your first part will be like make a folder, then make a plugin.yml that serves as the authorization on making your plugin. So let's start on giving it the first part name. Then what's the name of her? Like give the name of your plugin. So let's try tutorial. Next, we'll be going for the version for your plugin. So we'll be type version 10.0.0. That will be your first or the main version of your plugin. So you won't get any like DC and stuff. Then next on the API, which is based on the PocketMine system of the plugin. So we'll start on the basic stuff that we'll be doing on it. So 3.0.0 alpha 10 and 3.0.0 alpha 11, which is the current version for the PocketMine server software. Um, there we go. Next is the main, which is where did the plugin come from. Some sort there we go. Let's go try the main and go by search for the directory on your plugin, which is we'll be making a folder source later, like making a map for the main plugin. Let's try adding like test, then go with the tutorial, then main, which is the we'll be making the main system for the plugin to work, which is the main.php. Next, we'll be doing the authorization now by adding the author itself, which is me, I guess. Yeah, there we go. GDR. Let's try and just go for with the GDR. Then that's it. We'll just save it. Now let's go try making another one of our plugin, which is the main.php that we'll be saving later. So now let's start go and make the main PHP. So first we'll just make a PHP main PHP. There we go. Then PHP. Then next we'll be needing the libraries on making a plugin. Let's just go try and save it on the main tutorial.php. We'll be doing the main PHP folder. There we go. So the main.php save. There we go. Now it works. Let's go try and make it the namespace first. Namespace. Then let's go try as the other one like PHP tutorial and stuff. Let's go try and main. So we'll be doing test, then tutorial. That will be the namespace of the plugin, which is based on here. There we go. Now let's try on the next part. Will be using the main PocketMine PocketMine API system. So let's go try use PocketMine, and there we go, PocketMine dot plugin, then plugin base. So it will work as it serves as a plugin. There we go, plugin base. Then use PocketMine event listener. So other part, use PocketMine event, then player. So it will read the player if the player has joined or not on the game itself. Like player join event. Uh, okay, next is the username for the item to be given, such as PocketMine slash item, then item itself. So the player will be given the item for the first, like when the player join on the server. Next, go for the class. Go for the main extends plugin base. Plugin base. Then implements listener. So there we have it on the first part, which will be given later. So now let's go for making the plugin function. So it will be on enable. There we go. Now let's go try to explain the next part, which is when the plugin is on enable, they will just go and try to make the first function of it. So when the player joined, like when the player has joined on the server, we will try to get the item itself. So let's try go this get server, then go get plugin manager, export, then register events. There we go. So it will be this and this. So it registers as a plugin for the server. First part. There we go. I'll go for another function. Oh, and there we go. There we go. It's now fixed. There we go. So go in the next part. Function. On the function, you will just use on the on join server when the player will just go and join the server. So yeah, on join player join event, which is based on here. Join event. Then it serves as the part. So there we go. Serves as the number the dash key E. Then there we go. We're done on the first part on the server. So yeah. hmm There we go. Another error. And there we go. Join event. Next part will be the next ending part. So when the player joins on the server, so we'll just go try and use the player then it goes to E. So it's let the player be the symbol dash E or the dollar sign then E. Get player. Then we're gonna go with another one player. Like if you want to give the player a item which is when they join on the server, you will just go type this inventory. There we go. Get inventory of the player, then add the item, which is the item which is based on the item itself. Item, then the ID number the the item, which is based on the MCP's server that gives you items, which is get. Then get like let's try for example 466 0 then 11. There we go. We're done with first and second part. Now let's try to go and give the item itself, which gives the item now. So it could be something like this. Set cancel. And there we go. We're done with the first part. So I'll try to explain on what's happening on how I did the plugin. So first off, we'll be doing the namespace for the plugin to be registered. Then this part will be the library which you you will it will let them know that you will be using the PocketMine system on your plugin. Next will be the class or main extended listener. So uh, the plugin will be it will be registered as a the main plugin for the main server. Then just go with this part. Then public function on enable, which when the server run on your console, it will just let them know that it's on enable. They'll just let them know more enable and stuff. The second part will be the public function of the server, which when the player joins on the server, they will just give the item itself. Like what I said on the second line, they will just give the player the item, then it will be cancelled later. Yeah, that's it. Now let's go and try the map the main plugin. So this will be the main plugin. So we'll be making a new folder, which is based on the name, which is based on the part here, plugin name test. So we'll be renaming this as test. Then inside the test, we'll be making another one. Will be the tutorial. After this, we're just gonna go and move this main PHP to the test, and go inside on the main tutorial stuff. There you go. You made yourself a plugin, and that's it. And there you have it. You made a plugin on the PHP server. I guess that's all for today. See you tomorrow for more tutorials like this.